Guys, we're back. It's Mr. Short. We're back. Let's see that. That looks a little better. All right. Hey, real quick, thank you to everyone who subscribed. The numbers are rising. My class is really excited. The closer we get towards our first goal of 250, they get more excited because they know that they get something special once we hit that number. All right. But let's get to this. This is Eureka Math Squared, fourth grade module 4, lesson 18. All right. Estimate the sum or the difference. They want us to estimate it. I don't like really estimating these. I like figuring them out. So we're just going to figure these out, right? It says estimate the sum of the difference. That means addition, subtraction. We're not going to estimate. We're going to figure them out. So and I don't think we really need to estimate this. I don't think there's really a reason for it. So we have 4 tenths plus 9 tenths. We have tenths plus tenths. So it's going to give us tenths. Now you're just adding 4 plus 9. I mean, you could round this, but then we would round this down. I don't know. I don't really like this part, so I'm kind of explaining it my way. So 4 tenths plus 9 tenths, that equals how many tenths? We had 9 and then add 4. What do you get? You get 13. 13 tenths. All right. Over here, yeah, you can kind of do that one on your own. I'll go down to one of these down here. We got 11 twelfths minus 7 twelfths, or we got 13 sixths minus 4 sixths. I think I want to do this one, and you'll see why in a minute. So 13 sixths minus 4 sixths. So 6 and 6, it's going to be sixths. I'm sorry, I am saying S-I-X-T-H-S, sixth. It just sounds hard to say for some reason. All right, so now it just comes down to 13 minus 4. What is 13 minus 4? 13 minus 4. I feel like we did that somewhere else. 13 minus 4. Oh, look at that. It's almost right there. So 13 minus 4 is 9. But impress your teacher. Go one step further. How many times can 6 go into 9? 1. And then that leaves us 3 6 left, right? Or it's 1 and 1/2. Right? Because 3 6, 3 is half of 6. That'll really impress your teacher. Put that one on there. Make them happy. All right. Number 5. It says use the read, write, draw process to solve each problem. On Saturday, it rained 9. Okay. On Saturday, 19 tenths inches. The record for the most rain on that date was 11 tenths inches. About how many more inches than the record did it rain on Saturday? I don't like the wording on this. It sounds bad the way they're saying this. So let's just set it up. All right. It says our secret word is about how many more. That tells us we're doing what? And that tells us we're subtracting. So we have 19 tenths minus 11 tenths. What is 19 minus 11? That's the same because the same here means it stays the same here. 19 minus 11 is 8. You can leave it like that you want, or you can make it smaller. But leave it like that for now. We haven't worked on reducing fractions yet, but leave that one there like that. The next one I'll read to you, but I'm not going to solve it for you. Why? Well, because you got to do this one on your own. Liz is mixing bird seed for her bird feeder. She uses 7/8 cups of sunflower seeds, 3/8 cups corn, and 9/8 cups of peanuts. About how many cups does Liz mix together? So, about how many cups does she mix together? She uses this and this and this, right? Put them all together. Tell us how many we have. When you get it, see if you can make it a mixed number. You should have a whole number and then a fraction when you get your answer. So they give you 7/8, they give you 3/8, and they give you 9/8. And that's all the help I'm going to give you. After you get it, though, if you get a big number because you're adding, see if you can make it a mixed number with a whole number and a fraction over here. Impress your teacher. On the back, show that fractions are equivalent by drawing an area model, then express the equivalence by using multiplication. So they want you to draw the shape. You can draw a circle or something and show how these two work together, or a rectangle. Then they want you to see the multiplication. So they want you to show how you get a common denominator to prove that these are the same. Right? We've worked on this before. You should remember how to do this. So how do we make both these numbers the same on the bottom? Show the multiplication for that, and you should get it correct. All right, guys. Not the longest one today. If you're in my class, yeah, we didn't do lesson 18, but I'm doing this for everybody else that's out there because, hey, why not be nice and make the world a better place? All right. I hope this helps. I'm Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 4, Lesson 18. Have a good day.